Greetings from the POP movement, where POP stands for Protect Our Planet, and warm greetings from the POP family, of which you are a very precious part. Namaskar, Wanakam. I am very happy and wish to convey my heartiest congratulations to each one of you for being part of this very special workshop today. I also wish to convey my heartiest congratulations to Monalik, a young, dynamic, and inspiring leader. You know, the important thing is, as you learn what you learned today, and perhaps have been learning over a period of time and will continue to learn, how do we translate our learnings into action? The fact this workshop is manifesting in itself is an indication of how thoughts can become things and things can become action, which will pave the future. Everything that you do will have an impact on not just the planet and the health of the planet, but on human health and the health of all biodiversity. I'm sure that many of you are exceedingly well aware of a number of things pertinent to climate change, the impacts of climate change, and what we need to do to mitigate and adapt to these consequences. What I want to underscore is not the science of climate change at this point, but rather that the science of climate change must guide action. Really, truly, the time to act is now. And it's very important that all of us see, learn, and understand here in our hearts and in our hands that we do have hope, that we can make a difference, that the time to make a difference is now. That there is a chance for us to not only secure the present and the future of the lives that we are celebrating here together right now, but also many future generations to come. You can make a difference, you can leave a legacy, you can take the necessary action to protect our planet and make a difference. You are all together, and I want to underscore that individual action counts, but collective action is what will see us make the change. So each one of you has that light, each one of you has a fire, and I know there is passion. I know Monalik very well, and he is highly driven, very inspired, hugely passionate, and I know all of you are together with him and with the family right now because you are believers. Now I want you to take that belief and translate it to action. We can do this and we can do it together. Like they say, if you want to go far, you do it together. If you want to go fast, you do it alone. So it's really important that we go far and we do that right now, right here together. My heartiest congratulations once again to each one of you for being young, passionate leaders, climate activists, and people who will pave the change that we need to see in this world today. My heartiest congratulations once again to each one of you. Monalik, my heartiest congratulations on doing what you do. Much more is to be done. I'd like to convey a small message in Kannada to each one of you, and I hope you'll take it to heart. Bani, ಈ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So, I welcome each one of you to our family. Get out there, make the change, be the change, and I'll be with you at every step of the way. Thank you.